Are you struggling with the msvcp71.dll runtime failure ruining your workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to clear this error for good. This DLL file is the C++ standard library for Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2003. It provides legacy support for fundamental C++ operations, including string handling and input-output streams, required by software from the mid-2000s. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. To restore the library correctly, you should perform a manual refresh of Microsoft Visual C++. Visit the Microsoft Download Center, secure the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run both installers. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the msvcp71, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the msvcp71.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with the msvcp71 and PC Health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft Visual C++ functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.